Who are you? Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you? Yes, who are you?
Tell them! Tell them!
Tell them!
Githagathago kira kigomire mutongoria wa gikundi gikire mukana kia NRM Miguna Miguna yakanania gwitikirio guikara guku bururi-ini itiguthiraga giatira thutha wa jaji wa igoti-ini inene Roselyn Aburili wathana arekererio na ruciu arokio igoti-ini thaa ithatu.
The fact of the matter that a thing like this can happen in an international airport in the presence of arriving passengers, some of them who are diplomats, puts us in the category of a banana republic.
Mwerekera wa jaji uyu ukiterere Miguna kugera mawakili yake Julie Soweto, Havi na John Khaminwa magitagite minister wa ugitiri wa thini Fred Matiang'i, inspector munene wa borithi Joseph Boynet na murugamiri munene wa mihango ya uthami Gordon Kihalangwa iguru wa kiria maugite ni wagarari wa mwerekera wa igoti mweri-ini muhituku.
Has been detaining me incommunicado illegally with my lawyers.
What are the reasons or concerns?
There is no reason. They have not gotten authority from whoever for me to get into the country. But I don't need authority. The Constitution says a Kenyan citizen has a right.
Hideni ore ukiama kia mawakili ni getetetie maafitha uthami gikiuga Miguna ndanamukirwo na njira iria ibatie nao makongerera ati thirikari ni yagararite mwerekera wa jaji Chacha Mwita mweri muhituku kuria Miguna aheirwo mweke wa kuingira ona kuma bururi-ini na passport ya Canada etereirio guthitangwo. Miguna arakinyire bururi-ini muthenya wa ira no kumana na kiria kirerekane kwaga maratathi mena uigiririku aranyitwo migwate na muthia igeria ria kumuhamurithia Dubai riraringa ihiga.
I'm not boarding. I don't have a passport. I'm not boarding. I'm not going. Where my luggage? Where is my passport? I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. The captain cannot fly.
Put that down.
The captain cannot fly.
Put that phone down.
The captain cannot fly. The captain cannot fly.
Miguna hamurithirio kuma guku bururi-ini thutha wake kunyita itemi hari kuhitithio kwa Raila Odinga ta mutongoria wa muingi muthini wa mweri wa mwambiririo mwaka-ini uyu. Muthenya wa muthi maundu matiuma ngurani na muthenya wa ira kuna atinda moko-ini ma maafitha ugitiri na wandiki ya mohoro kuimwo kanya ga kuingira kiharo-ini kiu. Giribotera Kameme TV, jitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.